What's going on, guys? CryptoHoy here with another quick update on Wall Street memes, and in this video I want to do a post-launch review of this token. It has been roughly about 24 hours or so, or 30 hours to be exact, since the token has been launched and listed on the exchanges and everything, and I would just want to be taking a look here at the charts to see how it's doing. But before we jump right in, just real quick, if you find this video to be helpful and informative, make sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and also hit the bell so you never miss another video, another update. Let's jump right in. Overall, I just gotta say that the chart looks pretty healthy. Okay, I know that some people were expecting maybe like a I don't know, like 10x or 20x or something like big like that for this token to go, but honestly I prefer it this way. Okay, and I know it may seem a little bit boring. It's mostly just trading sideways right now. Let me go ahead and make this big over here. So we can see here that it started like around 2 cents and it went all the way up on launch, which was yesterday, and it went as high as almost 5 cents. So you were almost like 2xing yesterday if you bought this token like at this price, at stage 1 price, which was at 0.0259, which is like 2.5 cents. 2x from here would be like a nickel, pretty much, 5 cents. So it almost got there at launch, and that's okay. It has gone down. It has been consolidating for the most part over here, and actually right here we see that there were some supports at around a little bit over 3.5 cents, but it has broken through that support. Unfortunately, it has gone down, and now it's over here more towards like the 0.034. It has gone down to 3.5 cents. It's trying to get a new support level. It was receiving some resistance here at the 4 cents, but let's see how the market reacts for the rest of the week, and especially until next week Tuesday, because my only concern that I have with this is that if the price were to fall below the initial stage 1 price, let's say that it falls below here, then I think that's going to cause a lot of fear on the investors. What we got to keep in mind is that all these numbers, all these candlesticks and numbers that we see here, it's a reflection of behaviors. Okay, it's all a mindset, it's all like psychological. Okay, so if a number or the price starts dipping down, then that may cause some fear on a lot of investors, and it really depends on how strong the community is. If the Wall Street memes community is very similar to like Shiba Inu community, and that most of them are not all of them, of course, but at least a big portion of them are like long-term holders. They really believe in this token and stuff like that. Then it's able to pretty much overcome all those obstacles, right? But if there's just a lot of fear that gets the best out of these holders and it keeps going down, then that's where we can run into potential problems, which is it can really the price can go down, and investors or holders, they may just start to sell this token, and then that also can potentially affect here as well, because as more people just want to sell for whatever reason, either because the price is dumping, is just dipping down, tanking, and or perhaps some investors or holders is not going as they expected. They were expecting like a huge, parabolic, like going to the moon type of launch with the price, but that's not what happened. So it didn't meet those holders' expectations, so they may get bored. Maybe like, let's say in a week or two or something, they're like, you know what, the price didn't go the way to the moon. It's not what I expected. I'm tired. I'm bored of waiting. It's just trading sideways. Yes, it is still good because it is above the price of the pre-sale, the final pre-sale stage, which is at 0.033, and right now is at just a little bit above that at 0.035, which is fine, but it's not going 10x. So you know what, I'm tired, I'm bored of waiting. I'm just going to sell and whatever I have and just move on to a new pre-sale, move on to like another pre-sale crypto project or whatever, what's going on right now, and perhaps that new project or pre-sale can 10x. So it really depends on the mentality of the holders, on what their intentions are with this. And because I've seen it happen with other pre-sales that it may be fine for a few days or something, or maybe in a week or two, but then it just dumps quickly because I guess some holders just got tired of holding, or they just got tired of not seeing the results they were expecting and stuff like that. So yeah, now I do gotta say that there was quite a bit of a dump here, not that much. But yesterday after launch, yeah, there was quite a bit of a dump here, but not that much. But overall, I just gotta say that this chart, it looks healthy in my opinion, on the price right here, and hopefully it's able to, even if it's a little bit boring, but at least it's trading sideways. It's starting to stabilize, to consolidate here, and as long as it doesn't dip below stage 1 price, I think we should be for the most part okay. But again, none of this is financial advice. Of course, always do your own research, do your due diligence, and only invest what you're willing to lose. But I just gotta say that, you know, it looks pretty good for the most part, and yeah, we'll just see how the market reacts here moving forward. Also taking a quick look here at the number of holders. Let me just refresh this. The number of holders, it is you know, slowly increasing as well. I remember like yesterday it was like 22,000 or something, 22,300 or 600 or something like that. Now there's a total of 25,708. So it's slowly increasing more and more, which is a good thing. That's going to help to create more support on this token. But again, we just have to see how the market reacts for the following days, especially here in 7 days. Like I mentioned before, that's my concern on here, because if a lot of people start deciding to unstake their tokens and then they decided to sell the tokens, that can potentially also decrease the price and affect the price as well. I'll probably make a video a little bit more in depth here on the staking with Wall Street Memes, so I won't make this video too long and kind of going in depth here on the rewards. But you just got to keep in mind of two things, which is this right here. It says rewards are calculated based on your percentage of the Wall Street Meme staking pool and the annual returns percentage. Okay, so this right here, when you click on it, it says that your percentage of the pool will determine what percentage of the 75 Wall Street Memes tokens you receive. So let's say that if you're holding a lot, let's say you're holding like 50, let's say like 10% of the pool, you're holding 10% of the total staked. So that will be 50 million tokens of Wall Street Memes, which is a lot. So that means that on every block, you're going to potentially get like 7.5 of tokens. So like 10% of this, because you're holding 10% of the pool. If you're holding 50% of the whole pool staked, then you can get like half of this. Okay, and that is per block. Okay, so every time there's transactions, sending, receiving, every time the blocks are being written, you know, on their ledger, pretty much, then every time a block is already filled and full, it's already done, complete, then there's going to be rewards of 75 tokens. And out of those 75 tokens, it's going to be divided into a pie or pizza, pretty much into so many slices. Depending on what percentage or how big your slice is, that's how much you're going to get. And also here we have other rewards as well. Just keep in mind that I remember that like a month ago or more or so, this percentage here, the estimated rewards, it was like at 200 and something now, and then it got brought down to like 100 and something. Now then it went down to like 49%, and now it's at 39%. So just keep in mind that although right now it's a large number, but as days go by and more people are staking, then this estimated reward percentage, or the APR or APY, or you know, this percentage here, is going to keep going down and down as more people stake. So these are things that we got to keep in mind as well when it comes to staking. But just to conclude here, I think that overall right now, currently the price, the chart for Wall Street Memes, it looks very healthy, and let's hope for the best. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video to be helpful and informative, make sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and also hit the bell so you never miss another video, another update. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.